Morning children, today we are here to discuss the basics points in chemistry for 6th and 7th class combined. After two classes, we will have separate classes for 6th and 7th. Today and tomorrow only, just we are going to basics points in chemistry to understand our lessons in our textbook. Okay children, now listen. So first in our chemistry, what we have to know means our day-to-day life is included with chemistry. Without chemistry, it is not possible to live. How means? Because for everyone, we need to breathe. Without breathing, it is not possible to survive on the earth. What we are breathing? Which gas we are taking? Tell me, children. Which gas we are taking? Which gas we are breathing? Oxygen. Oxygen we are breathing. Oxygen means the chemical formula for oxygen is O2. It is a chemical substance. We are drinking water. Everyone drinking water? Yes, we all are drinking water. Water means it also a chemical substance. It is made up by the combination of hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen, they formed water. H2O. The chemical formula for water is H2O. So hydrogen and oxygen. Sir, what you are giving hydrogen, oxygen here you told. What these all are? What we call that all are? These all are elements present in chemistry. So in the lesson of in our subject chemistry, we are going to discuss about the what is element, how the elements are combined each other, they form matter. So how the atoms are present in the matter, about that how we are going to discuss in the lesson in the subject, in the concept, in the basics. So for example, now we are going to discuss about matter. So what is matter? Matter is nothing but the substance, any substance which have mass and occupy some space. Any substance which have mass and occupy some space are called matter. Any substance which have mass and occupy some space are called matter. For example, take the duster. Duster have mass and it occupies some space. So it is the example of one matter. Chalk piece. This chalk piece also has some mass and occupies some space. It is also example of matter. Your books has mass and occupies some space. That also the example of matter. Any substance in the universe which has mass and occupies some space. That is the example of matter. How the matter is made? Matter is made up by the joining of elements. By the joining of elements, matter is made. Then what is element? What is element? Element means a basic form of matter. A basic form of matter. A basic form of matter which cannot be broken down into. Which cannot be broken down into simpler substances. By any chemical or physical method. Are called element. Element means a basic form of matter which cannot be broken down into simpler substances by any chemical or physical method are called element. For example, take chalk piece. So it is possible to break the chalk piece, but for element it is not possible to break into simpler substances by any chemical or physical method. That is called element. We know elements. Up to now, how many elements are there? More than up to nearly 118 elements are there. Nearly 118 elements. Will you tell me some examples of elements? Yes. Some examples of elements are hydrogen, helium, lithium. Like is going means up to here we have 180 elements. 180 elements. Then how the elements are formed? The elements are formed by the joining of atoms. Atom is the smallest particle of an element which leads to the chemical reaction are called atoms. Are you understood children? An element. Next go for atom. Next go for atom. Atom means a smallest particle of an element. A smallest particle of an element is called atom. A smallest particle of an element is called atom. Understood children? So up to now how many elements are there? 180 elements. 180 elements. Okay, now going to discuss about the presence of particles in the atoms. Presence of particles in the atoms. Before going to presence of particles in the atom, now just before that we are going to discuss about the symbol. What is meant by symbol? Symbol. So why? Because here we need to discuss about the symbol means. For example, here hydrogen element is there. Hydrogen is there. So the name of hydrogen is coming many more times in one essay. So then it is difficult to remember or difficult to write the name of hydrogen every time in the sentence. Then it will be difficult to write. Then what we do? We'll search for some shortcut names for that element or for that name. Like for example, here blanks are here. We have the name ATM. ATM means what? Automatic teller machine. So if you ask anyone where is automatic teller machine means no one identify. No one identify that. But if you ask where is the ATM means they will tell the address. In some place there is there like that. Why? Because we need to use the name ATM instead of automatic teller machine means it is difficult to write or ask at every time automatic teller machine like that. So to save our energy and time, we are using shortcut names in the place of lengthy names. We are using shortcuts in the place of lengthy names. That shortcut may save our energy and our time. That's why in the place of lengthy names we are using shortcuts. How we are using shortcuts in the place of lengthy names? Like that we are using symbols to represent the name of elements. So that to represent the name of elements, we are using symbols instead of the name of elements. Then what is meant by symbol? Symbol means a short hand notation of an element. A short hand notation of an element. Notation of an element is called symbol. A short hand notation or representation. A short hand representation or notation of an element is called symbol. So in the place of lengthy names of an element, we are using symbols to represent the elements. So shall we discuss some of the elements and their symbols? Yes. So now we are going to discuss symbol up to 1 to 30 elements and their symbols. 1 to 30 elements and their symbols. Children, it is very important to learn the elements and their symbols. So first, before going to learn the symbols, we need to know about the atomic number of an element. Atomic number of an element. Atomic number. So what is meant by atomic number? What is meant by atomic number? So atomic number means the sum of electrons and protons is called atomic number. The sum of electrons and protons. The sum of electrons, not and, or. The sum of the number of electrons or protons is called atomic number. The number of electrons or protons, anyone, either number of electrons or number of protons is called atomic number. So make a list of 1 to 30 elements. 1 to 30 elements. Make a list of 1 to 30 elements. So understood the atomic number? The number of electrons or protons is called atomic number. Make a list of 1 to 30 elements. 1 to 30 elements. Very important to learn, children. Please, you have to learn it. For that, atomic number, first column. Atomic number, element and symbol. The first element is hydrogen. Symbol of hydrogen is H. So while writing the symbol of an element, you have to remember one condition. So always whenever we are writing a symbol, always the symbol is represented with capital letter. If the symbol has only one letter, then it is written with capital letters. Capital letter means correct. If you write small letter, then it is wrong. Always you have to write the symbol of an element with capital letters, not with small letters. If the symbol has two letters, in the case of two letter symbol, always the first letter is capital. Then followed by second letter is small, helium. So when you are writing the two letter symbol, the first letter is capital, second letter is small. Don't write first letter is small, second letter is capital. If you are writing like this, it is going to be wrong. The symbol which has only single letter symbol, then it is written with capital letters. The symbol which has two letters, on that time the first letter is capital and second letter is small. Don't write first as the small, second as the capital letter. If you are writing like this, it is wrong. Always first write capital, second write small. So the first element is hydrogen, H. The second element is helium. Children, write it and learn it. Helium. Symbol of helium is He. The third letter is lithium. Symbol Li. Fourth element is beryllium. Symbol Be. Fifth element is boron. Symbol B. Sixth element is carbon. Symbol C. Seventh element nitrogen. symbol N. Symbol N. Eighth element is oxygen. Symbol O. Ninth, fluorine. Symbol F. 10th, neon. Na. 11th, sodium. Symbol Na. 12th, magnesium. Symbol Mg. 13th, aluminium. Al. 14th, silicon. Si. 15th, phosphorus. P. 16th, sulfur. S. 17th, chlorine. Cl. 18th, argon. Ar. 19th, potassium. K. 20, calcium. Ca. Children, here the 1 to 20 elements: hydrogen H, helium He, lithium Li, beryllium Be, boron B, carbon C, nitrogen N, oxygen O, fluorine F, neon Na, sodium Na, magnesium Mg, aluminium Al, silicon Si, phosphorus P, sulfur S, chlorine Cl, argon Ar, potassium K, calcium 20. Here we have I wrote 1 to 20 elements. Please children, you have to learn the elements orderly, elements, atomic numbers and their symbols. The remaining elements we will discuss tomorrow in tomorrow class. Thank you.